Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to upload files here in Clickup. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Clickup, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Uploading files here in Clickup is a straightforward and a simple process that can be done directly in tasks, comments, and docs. Alright? Because you can attach files directly to anything here, making it easier to keep related documents and resources in one place. For example, you select the task that you wanted to add a file with. For example, this one. Hover down below where you can see the option that says attachments. You see that? Of course, you can put in the download, or you can drop your files here and click on upload. I'm going to do that right now. When you click that button, you have the option to upload a file, new doc, Dropbox, OneDrive for SharePoint, Box, Google Drive, and new Google Doc. All right, I'm going to click on the upload file and attach our logo here. All right. Not only that, you can also go to the comment section, wherein you can put an attachment here. As you can see, there's an option that says attach a file, and same as earlier, you can of course upload a file, Dropbox, OneDrive, Google Drive. In this case, I'm going to upload a file again. I'm gonna click on that and press enter. You see, there's gonna be another option here that says Google Drive. I'm going to click that, and from here, before you can use the Google Drive, you need to upgrade to the unlimited to unlock cloud attachments. And from here, you have all of these perks and benefits for you, like unlimited storage, unlimited folders and spaces, and a lot more. You see, uploading files here in Clickup is a way to share resources or additional information within a conversation. This is particularly helpful if you're working with multiple freelancers or team members within an organization in a specific project, because for a project requiring extensive documentation, uploading files directly into Clickup docs or tasks creates a well-organized knowledge base and is especially useful for referencing information, storing client deliverables, or maintaining detailed project records. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.